Now the question says that Jim spent 3/5 of his money, while Joe spent 3/8 of his money. They had the same amount of money left at the end. So if they had a total of $760 left, what was the total amount of money spent by Jim and Joe? Firstly, we know that they had the same amount of money left, so we draw equal land model for Jim's and Joe's money left. Alright? Then the statement says that Jim spent 3/5 of his money. That means to say that Jim had 5 parts of money. He spent already 3 parts. That means to say he spent 3 parts and he would have 5 minus 3, which is 2 parts left. That means to say this model of Jim would be 2 parts. So we cut it into 2 parts. And let's complete the model of Jim. So how many parts he had? It spent 3 parts. So we put down another 3 parts to indicate what he spent. So the total 1, 2, 3, 4 of 5 parts is total of Jim's money, as you can see from the model. Now then we go to the next statement of Joe. Joe spent 3/8 of his money. So Joe actually had a total 8 blocks and he spent 3 blocks. Alright, spent 3 blocks. That means to say he had 5 blocks left. Okay, so we cut Joe's money, Joe's model of money left here, which were drawn earlier on, into 5 blocks. Alright, 5 blocks. And we complete my model by putting in the 3 blocks spent herewith. So Joe had a total of 8 blocks of money here. Okay. Now, then it says that they had $760 left. That means to say that since they had the same equal amount left, that means to say that 2 parts is equal to half of it, which is 380, or 5 blocks is also equal to 380. Alright. In this case, 1 part will be 380 divided by 2, which is 190, and 1 block will be 380 divided by 5, which is equal to $76. Alright, as such. Question asked was, what was the total amount of money spent by Jim and Joe? Okay, look at the spend. He spent 3 parts and he spent 3 blocks. So we already know how to calculate. Alright, Jim and Joe spent a total of 3 parts and 3 blocks. Okay, 1 part is 190, so 3 parts is 190 times 3. 1 block is 76, therefore 3 blocks is 76 times 3. So add it up together, end of the day. So 3 parts is equal to 570 and 3 blocks is 228. And then you sum it up, you get $798. This is the total amount of money spent by Jim and Joe. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.